Hi there and welcome. In today's quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up infant and child age for your booking engine page. Let's jump right in. First, log in to your Bookingjini channel manager. From the menu on the left-hand side, click on Booking Engine. Next, head over to Basic Setup. Now on this page, click on the tab labeled Others. Here you'll find the option to define infant and child age limits. Set the age ranges according to your property's policy. For example, infants up to 4 years, children up to 12 years. And don't forget to click on Submit button to save. And that's it. You've now successfully configured infant and child age settings for your booking engine page. If you need help or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to our support team. We're always here to assist. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching.